Okay. There we go. Hello, everybody. Oh, I am tired. Okay. Okay, y'all. So, if y'all remember, we recently figured out how to implement certain things. So we're going to try. So recently we figured out how to implement some char put downs, and if I'm correct, I wonder if I can make a custom startup where I can just click this. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I think I have an idea here. Nah, that won't work. So, we are going to... How do I select a custom startup item? Hmm. How can I make a project out of this? Like, how would I even manage to make a project out of this? Alright, it doesn't matter. We already have a build tool. Run load bash. Bash. Yep. Alright. Now we're going to load into GDB here. Target. Or, no, it's not target. Symbol. File. Okay, now we're gonna target our remote. Local host. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. Continue. So where are we right now? Okay, so we're at the point where it's being a pain and refusing to work. That sounds about right. Going to clean up. Oh, we gotta make the cleanup function delete everything. Where's the clean? Okay. There we go. Now, we're going to That's interesting. So right now, if we just step through, you can slowly see it delete everything, which is quite interesting if you think about it. Because, you know, we're stepping through, we finally got GDB to work so we can debug this operating system, and that is just perfect. So, what we're going to do next is, I guess we're going to set a breakpoint. We're going to do info functions again. So we're going to break at print wait a minute. Okay, print underscore string. We're going to continue. Okay. 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 Hmm. Okay. So, this is going absolutely lovely. Hmm. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. We're going to load the symbol file. Oh. Would you look at that? That is Hello World right there. We don't need to export. Here we go. We finally got the print working. That took so long. Oh, heck yeah. I'm so proud. Yeah. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Well, that's not right. That is not right at all. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay, so this is a little off. Let's do some debugging here. So I do that, and I do another print string hello world. Will this actually print out? Let's do a hope and prayer here. No. It will not. Okay. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Something's wrong with my offset. How much can I print without that? How? When does it cut off? Okay. That's interesting. That is not supposed to be doing that. I don't know why it is. Okay, so maybe it's just like... I don't know. No, we need to do some string functions before we can make this. No, no. Okay, string length. And string length. Okay. Wait. Oh, that should be expected, actually. Okay. So, please go. I don't even have a print string. Okay. Music, okay. Hi, okay, we have hi. That prints out. That's good. Okay. Why are you doing this? So does \n finally work? Yeah. Load a bunch of A's on there. Okay, so what was my issue before? So it's 27 length. 26 technically. Is my issue fixed? Really? What if I add a line break in here? Did you finally fix my printing issues? Oh. Oh, there we go. We finally did it, y'all. No, never mind. Hmm. How many times can I print this before it just has an absolute stroke? It just doesn't print. Why is this happening? It won't. It was working, but why does it just give up at W? Flushing? Hold on. I don't think so. And if I was to, I don't think I found enough resources on OSDEV. I might have to flush. I don't know, I've been Googling around. I have Googled about that before. I need to actually get... Let me run without debug. Or run with debug. I believe... I don't think I am flushing. I'm not too sure. Okay. So we're gonna just quickly load the simple file. And then we're gonna target remote localhost and breaks. I think it is. Oh, break is a break. Okay. Continue. Continue. Step. Okay, I should probably get this on the screen. So, first off, it starts by my brain just got so confused. I just messaged someone clearing the stream. Anyways, ignore Steam in the background. Step, step, step. So it should be written any second now. Be ready to light out. Yep, there's that. Now it should move the cursor. Yeah, Git cursor should be updating. Oh, maybe not. Okay. I don't think it's updating, but it should be. What is like step 4? Great. Maybe we'll step by 5. Alright, so here's where it should be having an absolute stroke. Okay, right here. Okay, yeah, it just stops there. Let's take a look at this. If you want to look at Git cursor, there's everything. Oh my god, damn it, it's not being updated. Oh, you're bloody joking. Oh, no, it is. It's right here. But I don't think it's being updated in the for loop. It starts off getting the offset. And we set the cursor each time. Okay. Okay, so pretty much, you get the cursor at the start, then you write your string out, and then at the end you set the cursor. That's what I'm doing. I should probably push all my things to GitHub. I haven't done that in a good day or two. Just give me one moment. I'm going to push everything to my GitHub. Wow, that's a big file. Okay, now we're going to open GitHub desktop. We have a lot of things we're about to push. And I kind of mean like I have the entire compiler. Because, okay, yeah, we're adding a lot of the cross compiler. We are removing these 2 files, though. Alright, so this is 0.0.5, I believe. Okay. Sorry about that. My description, so I did int or idt dot c idt dot h isr dot c isr dot h placeholders. Started using cross compiler included in source, but you can download without if too large. Alright, I think that's about right. We're gonna commit that. Ah, damn it. Okay. Okay, so it's too large to push. I could just quickly deal with that. First off, there's some files that aren't actually needed that are just taking up a ton of storage, because right now you have to use your average GDB to compile it, not the cross compiler one. It's just average of my terrible programming skills. But okay, cross compiler. Maybe I'll just push without the cross compiler and I'll let people compile it themselves. That might work out well. You know, but this is a specific one that you need. It's a pain to build cross compiler, so I might as well just include it and I'll just remove the large files. So we'll remove this one. Okay. Oh, thank you. It's impressive to the ones outside, but it's terrible to the ones who, who actually work on this. Believe me, it's not great. It's a work in progress, I guess, but it's not great. But I'm still proud. I'm just not going to include the cross compiler in the build. I'll just add a link to where you can download it. Okay, so I moved the cross compiler from the source, so now it's just a lot smaller, including inside readme. Okay, so let's readme. We're going to um um I don't know where I got this cross compiler from. I guess I can always check my downloads. That is not the right thing. That's the right thing, and we don't want that there. Copy download link. Oh Lord. Hello. How are you doing today? It's nice to see all these people coming together. It's really cool. I've always wanted to have like a small community to talk with. Oh, I'm doing fine, quite fine. It's I wonder. I don't think I've asked how are all of you doing today. It's quite a fine day. The sun is nice out, but it's also very blinding. It's not very warm, unfortunately, here. Let's see how this is. Okay, so I found my README. Now, I think I'm going to add export GDB, exports the .elf and .sim for debugging. Okay, now, I don't know where I exactly downloaded this amazing file. Um, Okay, so I don't exactly know where I downloaded this cross compiler from, but I know from around here somewhere. It's nice to see people people here, though. Seriously, are y'all doing well? There we go. I don't know why my music was off. I need it to focus. Okay. Alright. I know I downloaded the file from somewhere, but I can't exactly remember where. You know? Oh, did I find him? Aha! I found him. Awesome. So, okay. Awesome. So, we're gonna commit all this to me. Okay. We're pushing all this to our origin. I should be writing them soon. Yep, there we go. Alright. Now, if I'm correct, my GitHub should be updated. 274. Wow. I gotta update my Streamlabs because apparently it's just not updating itself. Hold on.
Welcome to space. What were you expecting? It's a dangerous place. Thank you for investing. Go there for your rota, there for your orders. Fill up these quotas. We'll bill for your quarters. Report to your foreman, but watch for marauders.
Oh, we're so close, y'all. It's so exciting. You know, I am at nearly 300 subscribers, and that is absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever been here. This is just awesome. Okay, here we are. Awesome, so we have our little link now. Most of it's shell. That's fair, the script is like, I don't know how many lines. 340. It's a giant compile script, but I'm proud. Okay, so now that we have everything pushed, we can start working again. Here we go. Am I going to push this? Okay. trying to put my brain cells together. You know, I have this idea. Right now, I don't know why it's not printing right. What if I didn't call it clear? Because right now our issue is it's not able to print more than to the W. So what happens if I just... Oh crap, no. Discompile. Okay. Discompiler. That's a new word. I don't think I've ever heard a word called discompile before. Oh. Okay. I should probably be flushing stream. I don't know if this will work. Where's this stored? This is above clear screen. So we're actually in here. We're going to run clear screen and flush. So this should flush it, if I'm correct. No. Okay. Yeah, well, thank you, to implement this, yes. Okay. We're gonna do some OSDEV to flush. Video memory. OSDEV.
Corporation thanks you for choosing the Stupendium as your AZOS entertainment provider, and also wishes to thank our esteemed Patreon investors. If you enjoyed this broadcast, you may consider our line of other musical entertainment presentations in the playlist, check out the brand new range of quality Stupendium merchandise, or indeed follow the link to join those hallowed halls of our Patreon investment board.
Okay. So, while my brain cell refuses to cooperate, I'm going to take an assumption that I have to be clearing this or flushing it.
I've been sleeping in a cardboard box, spending every dollar on a losing lot. And even though I know it isn't worth much stock, no, it's better to have tried than not.
Can you tell me who you're trying to fool? I can seem to find the point you're trying to make. And if you think that you can lie to me, then I think you made a big mistake.
Well, now I don't even see the cursor. We're going to set the offset to 0. Maybe this will do a beauty and work. Okay. Oh, thank you. It would be even cooler if it actually worked. Because right now, my issue is it doesn't stop printing. I'm pretty sure I have to be flushing the stream, but I don't know how I'm gonna get that working. How am I gonna flush stream? That is the most pointless line I've ever seen. We're setting the cursor to where the cursor is right now. Okay. If my brain is not braining, it's not gonna brain while it's braining, then why is it not braining? Why does it have issues? What if I set the cursor to offset there? Okay. What if I just don't set the cursor? Well, it just doesn't move the cursor. Okay. Does anyone know how I could flush this memory? Is there like... Huh. Whoa. Okay, so let's compile this again. Here we go. Okay. No. Does it just like every now and then work? Depending on how long I compile it for. Okay, no, thank God. I thought I was having one of those like really weird bugs. Okay. So what if I clear the screen again? We're gonna wait. Wait 1,000. Then we're gonna clear the screen. And we're gonna print the same string out, but this time we're gonna only print it like, I don't care what we're printing. This might cause a triple fault. Okay, that's interesting. What if I didn't take up the entire buffer? It just doesn't approve either way. What if I did not take up the entire buffer? Is print screen just taking up like 90% of my buffer? Very informative. H. The letter H. That's how informative we're working with. You know, chef's kiss, aren't we? Just, yeah, chef's kiss. What if I just didn't clear at all? Hello. What if I just set it to 0? Or more specifically, null character. Can I just set it to null? Yeah, that works. It's gonna have an absolute stroke trying to do this, isn't it? Alright, well, say RIP to my thing that's about the triple fault. Yep. Where's my triple fault? There it is. Null undeclared. Where's it included? Okay, excuse me? Oh. Include. CD. Definitions? Is this standalone? Well, we gotta give it some time. I hope this is standalone. Okay, that took a minute to load. Okay, well, maybe it will like me if I compile it now. Well, did you look at that? No, I may have gotten a lot of errors. What if I just set it to 0? Well, probably won't work the same. Okay. Holy Jesus, that's 7 concurrent. Wow. Right. Maybe I can print more now. Let's see. Nope. Why isn't it working? I'm just gonna rob this little code snippet I found for a second, just for some testing purposes. Also, it's probably not a good idea that I'm writing null to this. I'll just continue writing 0 or space. That's fine. No way, is it actually working now? So we should have an MM if it's working. Only 52 characters long, 53 including the ending. What was the problem? What? Maybe my git rows from offset were broken. I can just replace those. There we go. I'm glad this is finally working. Okay. Maybe I'll just quickly... It's not gonna work. Maybe my memory copy is having a stroke. Not to my knowledge, but I'll replace it just in case. Okay. fixing my damn code. That's so broken. Okay, if I'm correct, this should print. I don't know what the problem is. Seriously, it's being a pain. It does, but depending on what I change, it doesn't. Like, it does cut off at the same point. Don't get me wrong, it's just like, I think I should be flushing it. But I don't know how to flush. I googled so much around to get resources on flushing, but unfortunately it's not very common, I guess. Max columns? No, it's not. Why just run this quickly? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It just ends at 16. No specific reason, it just decides to. So I'm quickly looking at some resources that have already made this stuff. Words not see. Maybe if I just like me. I'm just gonna replace all my code with this nice little tutorial, and I'll see why theirs works better than mine. First off, I use, actual, like, unsigned. Like, this should be U unsigned int 8, I believe 8-bit char. I'm correct. Unsigned char is what this is, so. Oh, yeah. Let me just go find this code. Oh, thank you so much. I didn't notice that for some reason. It's just being a pain, but I really appreciate it. Thank you for the sub. Thank you so much. I actually do appreciate it. I'm on my way. Oh, I know. It's definitely painful, alright. Because I'm working with operating systems, yay. Even GDB could not figure it out. Maybe if I reassign my registers. No, nothing changed. Display.c. That's something for... Where is this defined? Types. Oh, okay. Well, actually, this is being defined in multiple files. I should probably not have it defined in ports. Okay. Now, these are defined both here. Correct. Correct. So we can close these. I'm gonna pin these since these are our biggest problems right now. It's like the IDT was originally the issue, and then everything else just went down like hell. All of these seem to be working fine. Although I don't know why it wasn't. And change our get offset and get row from offset. Then we're gonna get rid of our move offset to a new line. I know I already did this, but like I'm running off miracles here. Okay, so that changes because I'm doing that. So, I actually code in C# primarily. It's just typically like, oh, well that's better, but still bad. But typically I program in C# as it's what I know. I make a lot of, I'm making a programming language right now to help with this operating system. It's called Hydro, and it's basically like C and C++, but it just has some things that are like, did it work? No. It allowed more characters to be printed, but not enough. I think we're just going to ignore the cursor completely for a second. Start at the beginning of the video memory. Now, so we're gonna do, what is, yeah, char. Okay, let's see if this works better. Oh crap, I have insert mode on. Okay, so if I'm correct, this shouldn't cry and actually work. No. It did not work. No, screw this. We're going to write. Here's what we're going to do. We're writing in all characters this. It's gonna complain. But I'm writing in all character to it. Oh, okay, so that wrote not much more, but it still wrote some. Could this be our issue? Could clear screen be the issue? It's like I'm getting, yeah, not, well, in OSDEV you don't get error messages, it just crashes. You don't get the courtesy. You don't even get any courtesy of error messages. It just crashes and triple faults. Maybe the most courtesy you're gonna get is a new 0x08. Which I think that's like, I don't know. Yep, that's programming for you. You're always hunting down the impossible that never existed in the first place. Okay, maybe I'll replace my scroll line again. I don't know. Okay, maybe I'll like move this print string again, and we'll set the clear screen to back whatever this was. Yeah, the issue is like I can't print something super long. I can only print like. Let's see if this works. This should work. Like this should work. Yeah. Okay. Well, it is something to do with the memory, but it's the video memory. Maybe I won't clear the screen, I'll just set cursor to get offset 0, 0. Sure, OS. I'd like to be able to print out the version information. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make ITOA integer to ASCII. How we're going to implement that, I don't know. No, I already tried. So we're gonna do. Let's see. I love when AI tries to do things because it always does it wrong. Void verse. Okay. So this should reverse a string. I want to know if this does work. So we're going to print the reverse. Well, I probably should actually make it like char. So we're going to do string reverse. There we go. That was my issue. Okay. My kernel, yeah, we are using basic. Okay, so we're gonna print the reverse of hello. Curious if this does work. Oh, oh, and there's a triple fold. I forgot that we have to like include length. Int string length. Anyways, so basically we got the string length here. Oh, did I even? What is it doing? Okay, so string length good. The question is, how am I going to implement this correctly? So, the thing about string length is, it's a pain. A royal pain. So, how are we going to do that? I don't know. It always fails me, but it's worth a shot. So we're going to do... Well, first we're going to set the string length to... Well, I know it's technically true, but... It's 6, but, like, we don't want to include that end terminator. Pretty sure anyways. It didn't like that. Maybe it's 4. Because I know things start at 0. Nope. We're just getting triple faults. Okay, that didn't work. At all. String. Yeah, I was wondering why I was stirring ears because I said string. Hmm. Hmm. My brain's just like, my brain. Okay, I think we got this. I have full belief in us. We are strong programmers, and we know what's right. Sometimes. So, we're going to actually remove the no debug. Export GDB. So we're going to symbol file kernel.elf target remote localhost 234. And now we're going to break at reverse. Continue. We're going to continue again. What? Where'd it break? Break 10. Wait, what? What? Why? Why? Just why? It's like, it's been an absolute mental pain, and I don't know why. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, maybe this will work? No. Hmm. I don't know. Oh crap. I just clicked a bunch of buttons. So we're going to initialize. We should make a quick print string color. Void print string short color. Is color even used? Okay, now we should have color, theoretically. This is purely all theoretical, remember. Because everything never works, so. It's all hopes and prayers. That's a pretty long function name. Yeah, sure, welcome to the current. That sounds fine. Oh my lord. What do you mean? What do you mean? I know, it's just like, now I'm getting all these errors, so let's see. Implicit int. Now, why is it an integer color? It is? There. I just converted you to a character. What? Oh, why? Maybe we gotta make this into a character. Oh, no. That's what we need. Do you work now? No, you do not. OSDEV is just that one type of what is even happening. It's a whole, like, why? Why? Oh my god.
A stone, so I couldn't feel. You'd yell in my face, it'd be no big deal. But I'd miss the way we make up and smile. Don't wanna be stoned.
Oh my god.
Wish I had eyes in the back of my head. Then I could see the places I've been. But then I would know that you're talking shit. I don't wanna know what my friends think. Wish I were my dog out on the lawn.
Oh my god, I'm such an idiot.
But if I were my dog, I wouldn't live long. I'm sure gonna miss her when she's gone. I wish I could act in a show on TV, cause then I could practice not being me. I'll practice my cry, put it into
There we go.
but you won't believe me when I cry for real. I wish that my brain would triple in size. I'd nail every joke, I'd win every fight. But I get too deep with that kind of mind. I don't wanna know the point of life. In some other life, I would be rich. I'd travel in style, I'd cover the bill, but couldn't complain about anything.
Yay, but it still crashes.
Feel bad for me at all. If I was cocaine or a bottle of Jack, I'd get invited to every frat. But when you get old and your good days are past, you'll only want me when you're sad. Wish I was a song, your favorite one. You'd follow the dance to me at your prom. I would be there.
I know.
Baby is born for 2 or 3 minutes.
Why are you triple faulting? What if I just didn't clear you?
I wish I was
So my clear screen is causing the triple fault. Why are you unhappy now? Yep, sure, you know what, that works perfectly fine for me. Of course. I'm having, like, mental brain damage from this. You know what? What if I set the background? Ooh. Yeah, I do know. Except he was kind of nuts before that. Why isn't this... Okay, you know what? We'll work with printing colors later. What might make it worse is I'm a Christian, so I probably have a good chance of going insane doing this just like Terry. Yeah, don't worry. I physically could not make an OS I could talk to God because I couldn't even get the OS to work in the first place. Okay, what does clear screen work now? That would be the biggest surprise. Or not a surprise. I'm actually surprised it failed. Maybe it's my assembly. This function does not exist. I swear, if that was all... Okay, I thought that would be... I am going insane. Okay. It is. It always is a tiny thing. It's just like it's never like I really should get interrupts running. Maybe my global descriptor table's unhappy. I don't get it. What did I do to deserve this pain? Okay, so it's just like unhappy. Period. I probably should get that error setup going. Okay, yep, that's it. We're getting the GDT table set up because if I don't get that set up, I'm going to lose my flipping mind. Okay. So before I have an actual aneurysm... Oh, I already have some of it set up. How lovely. Because this will allow me to see where errors are. Did I never define this? I did. Types.h. Holy! Okay, I thought I defined those for a second. Well, I guess there's no reason for me to redefine them if we already have them. Oh, wait. I don't. Okay, it does exist here too. What the hell? Address? What do you mean address? Vec.h? No. Yep, I'm going insane. IDT.c. I probably should define this up here. So we have 3 basic ones here. That should be nice. Okay, so this is still not working right. I probably should. Look at that amazing long path. That just brings love to my eyes. Just kidding. It brings pain. Maybe it's not that high. Okay. That looks lovely. It's not including anymore. IDT.c. Okay, let's see. It's C. Programming language. Yeah. We're not going to clear the screen. So at least it stays open. Means I'm doing something right. Okay, let's do a thinking here. Getting extremely tired for some reason. Fatigued. That is not right. Wow. All right. Just copying over all the files to the GitHub be pushed. Wow. This, so far, has been an amazing stream. Yay. Wow. It's just like, I don't think I've ever streamed at people here before this much. Makes me happy. More pushing, so we changed a lot. Changed IDT.c or IDTs, ports, strings, types, and we also changed display memory. I could probably remove the symlink in the logs. Kernel. New issue. Triple faulting when triple faulting when clearing screen. Current to view IDT full implementation. Alright, that sounds about right. That's about right. Awesome. Push origin. Okay, well, we finally are pushing the origin. And I thank y'all for watching this beautiful stream. It's been an absolute pleasure doing all this, but I am extremely tired mentally, and there's a good chance I'll just be back streaming tomorrow, as I enjoy doing it. But it's, let me remind y'all, it's not gonna be like a super on off thing or super on thing, as I only stream when I feel like it, and I don't see it as a really career. But I'm happy y'all have enjoyed your time here. So I will just quickly drop the link where you can find my GitHub repo for AzureOS. That's where you can find it if you'd ever so please to. And thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it, and see y'all next stream. Bye bye.